AI Genius Review. Hey there, welcome to my AI Genius Review. In this video, we are going to take a look at a demo to see exactly how AI Genius works, and I will cover what I like the look of and what I don't like the look of with this software launch. My name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and for over 10 years now, I've been working from home, earning a full-time income online with digital marketing. So hopefully all that experience from those previous years of internet marketing will help you out looking at the pros and cons of this AI Genius strategy. Before we dive into this AI Genius review, if you click the link below, click that link in the video description, you can discover my #1 recommended online system right now. It's a complete done for you system, and it's a really excellent way to build up that realistic income on the internet. So click the link below for my #1 recommended online system. So on the AI Genius sales page at the moment, just before we take a look at the demo, basically it's an app that lets you turn your website into it gives your visitors the means to ask a question before they buy a product by leaving you a voice message or an audio message. So on a lot of websites in the bottom right hand corner, you might have a support function or a chat bot where someone can leave a text-based query before they buy a product. This one lets you leave a video message-based query or an audio message. It doesn't really use AI from what I can see. It's just a simple software code which lets you leave video and voice messages to the website creator, and then they can get back to you with their own video and audio messages to answer your questions. So the simple steps is to log into the AI Genius software, into the members area. Step 2 is to grab your code for the AI Genius widget and copy and paste that into the HTML body of your website, and you can do that via WordPress as well if it's a WordPress blog. And then you get that all set up, and then these pop-ups will appear to give people the opportunity to ask questions via video messages, which will automatically connect to their webcam. And then step 4 is apparently to profit. They use some Warrior Plus income screenshots as an example of how to profit. I would think this is better to promote high ticket coaching programs and high ticket offers, not your typical low ticket Warrior Plus offer, because in that case they don't normally need much explaining. They're normally quite high converting, and the videos do all explaining for the lower ticket products. But for the higher ticket products, where more trust and authority and relationship is needed, I think AI Genius is more suitable for that. They do have some AI Genius customer reviews on the website, but I'm always skeptical about these type of reviews that appear on these launches, because the headshots look very professional. They're all 5-star across the board, and they all have the same very similar generic style. So when I see these professional headshots, 5 stars across the board, I'm always a bit skeptical of these type of testimonials. They almost seem like they are AI generated AI Genius reviews. So I wouldn't give too much weight to these specific reviews. However, I do think it is a useful tool that you get access to inside the members area. I struggle to see where AI comes in with AI Genius. This is just a simple voice messaging and audio messaging tool, which I think looks pretty cool actually. So what you do, you basically go into the members area, set up the widget by filling in a couple of the forms, and you can do some basic customization about the look and feel of the widget and choose whether it's a voice or an audio message people can leave and the text that displays on it. So there's some basic customization and welcome messages that you can do. You choose the email address you receive these notifications to, and then you just fill in the forms. It's pretty much self-explanatory and step by step. You can customize the color and the font and the style, and then you go through all that, and they give you a code which you can copy and paste into your website. And you can do this via your own cPanel account of your website or log in to your WordPress blog. So I like this approach because lots of product launches, you're not using your own website, you're using a subdomain on the product vendor's website, but this one actually lets you install the software on your own website by giving you the code. I think that's a much better approach than having a website built for you on a subdomain that you don't own. I'm just pausing the demo here to look at the pop-up. So it's a basic pop-up like this that appears where your visitor is asked if they have any questions about the product or service you're offering, and then they can connect their audio or their video recording device, essentially their webcam or their microphone, will automatically connect via the website. They can leave a message like asking a question about your product and services, and then that question will be emailed to you, and then from your inbox you can listen to the voice message or watch the video messages from the members area of AI Genius. So, and there's also a reply feature, which I think is the probably the best part of this software. So this is, you get an email notification, and then the message is stored in the members area, which you can then listen to and reply. So then you can leave your own voice message or your own video message in direct reply to the query you've just received using the same method that they left it. It uses the same sort of software for you to send a message back to them that will be delivered to the email address they left in the form when they first left the message. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm skeptical of the benefit of letting your visitors or encouraging your visitors to use video or even a voice to ask a question. I think it's better to do it with text, because I think the video part of it is better coming from the vendor, because most people are a bit shy. They don't really want to appear on camera. They maybe not even want to reveal their voice. They just might have a simple question. So in most cases, I think people would prefer just to send an email for the question or use the chatbot in the sidebar. I'm skeptical someone's actually going to want to record themselves on camera to ask a question about a product. However, I do see the benefit of the vendor building trust and authority by asking questions personally, manually, one-on-one with a unique video just for that customer. So I think the video approach works better going in the opposite direction when you're replying to the queries, rather than the customer having to leave a video message in the first place themselves. And even if you don't use this type of software, I think if you're promoting high ticket products such as a coaching program or a business opportunity on Instagram, for example, and then someone messages you for a basic question, you can then manually create a 30-second video with your iPhone and then quickly reply that to the video message, and just reply a video message revealing yourself on camera, asking a question, calling them by their first name, and that will help build trust and authority and help close them into your business opportunity or high ticket coaching program or whatever you're promoting. However, they may just message you by text in the first place, and they don't really have to message you by voice or video. But if you're the one doing the selling, then I think it's good for you to appear on video and make things more personal, especially if you're doing a high ticket product that costs thousands of dollars and gives you a big payday commission. It doesn't take much time just to whip out your phone and respond to a message via video instead of text, and then call them by their first name and make it very manual and specific to that one person. So I think it's worth doing that extra approach to close high ticket sales, not really as worth it for your typical affiliate marketing sales funnel. And also, AI doesn't really come into this. It's just a useful video messaging tool to hook up to your website. I struggle to see where the AI part of it comes in. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my AI Genius review. What I do with my internet marketing to earn a full-time income online is very much focused on traffic generation and list building, getting lots of traffic sent to landing pages, building that email list, and enjoying the process of getting more and more clicks per day to high converting affiliate sales pages. So I'm not really worried too much about the very personal manual messaging approach, because I'm not going directly to a high ticket sale. I'm going to a high converting affiliate sales funnel that takes care of all the selling and the telling for me, so that need to create the video messages is less necessary. And if you want to discover my top recommended system for generating a full-time income on the internet, click the link below. Click the link in the video description for my #1 recommended online system. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really cool way to get going, building up that realistic full-time income on the internet. So click the link below for my top recommended system. Thanks again for checking out my AI Genius review. All the best, and speak soon.